It's the right topic you have chosen to train the students and those who are interested in their startups. The startup looks, the word looks to be easy, but really it involves a lot of courage and confidence to start a enterprise and make it successful. If you look at the world over, rate of successful entrepreneurs who have developed from startup, it is about 4 to 5%. And to survive in such a very, very low rate of success, rarely it requires a lot of courage, patience, confidence, and the learning attitude. So you have chosen the right kind of topic for the students to motivate them, to inspire them to do something. And life without challenges is meaningless. So therefore, I request all students to take up any challenge, to take up any idea, a living problem, work on that problem throughout their undergraduate education and discuss with the concerned people, develop their own network, try to learn the things required to be successful entrepreneur, wherein lot of things are dealt within the institute, but there are many things which are required to be known and that are not written in any book, but those are available from the experience of the learned people, from the experiences of the working entrepreneurs. So the students must develop their own network, they must develop the business mind, and that is how they can become successful in startups. Lot of promotional activities are being conducted by the government of India, government of Maharashtra to promote the culture of this entrepreneurship, the startup policy, patents, IPRs, so all kinds of IPRs. So I request all students, all those who are online, to think positively on these lines. There is nothing difficult. Once you have to enter that and learn the things, once you enter into it and learn the things, then it becomes easy. So just sitting on the bank of the river and discussing the river, it will not give you anything. But if you want to learn swimming, you have to throw yourself into the river and learn the swimming. And then this is how you have to show the courage and the abilities. And there are a lot of people available for your guidance. So having some good mentors is also good. It's very important. And therefore, I request all students to think sincerely on these guidelines, go through this webinar sincerely, try to mug up the things, take away good things from these webinars, and positively think on those lines and come out with some good new idea and some good new startup. So I thank once again to all organizers for giving me opportunity, and I wish all the success to all the students who are thinking to have their own startups. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My intention is that you should uh, take this particular startup as one of the option. Now, thinking for a job is by default what is there into today's students, but thinking for a startup and having your own business is a need of a time. Let me try to talk to you about the tendency. Okay, the tendency of a student, what they feel, what they understand, and how they look upon and taking up the business as their career. Okay, as compared to a job. Okay, now I'm going to represent in front of you a survey that has been done by Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, which is in Ahmedabad. Quite maybe some 8 to 9 years before they have conducted this research work, and they have found out some actual facts why this is so, and they have given us some recommendation to the government, that is uh, HR department. Okay, HRD. Now let's see. Okay, let us understand present scenario for entrepreneurship among the students, or present scenario as in general. Okay, now this slide shows you some facts. Okay, now if we talk about their career plans, generally it is found that less than 20%, I have rounded out the figure, is less than 20%, among which 14.4% are the students and 26.6 are employees. Okay, those are for a business, those who feel that they can go for a business directly. but 80% of the population which is there, they are business, but they want to go for the job. Okay. The next question that has been, what has been asked to them, what keeps today's youth away from entrepreneurship? का आजचे म्हणजे लोकांना म्हणजे असं वाटतं की खूप अवघड हा आपल्याला जमणार नाही आणि आपण नोकरीच करू आपण. So the facts that was found out is represented very simple 4 points. That is this: more security, more secure income, and access to mental power वगैरे मिळेल आणि जॉबच करणे बरं आहे म्हणजे इन्कम मिळत राहील, नो टेन्शन. जॉब आहे, मला महिन्याला पगार मिळतो आणि काही टेन्शन नाही आहे. ओके. आणि अशा लोकांना इट हॅज बीन फाउंड आउट दॅट देर इज अ लॅक ऑफ अचिव्हमेंट मोटिवेशन. म्हणजे काहीतरी आपल्याला वेगळं काय केलं पाहिजे, खूप काय केलं पाहिजे, मला असं काहीतरी असं काय वाटत नाहीये. असे लोक जॉबला जात असतात आणि दे फील दॅट दे डोंट हॅव इंटरेस्ट इन बिझनेस. ओके. सेकंड थिंग इज डिझायर टू वेट फॉर सम मोर टाइम. काही काही लोक असं पण विचार करतात, जनरली वेन आय एम इंटरॅक्टिंग विथ स्टुडंट्स आणि जनरली बरेचसे माझे कलिग्स पण दे विल ॲग्री टू दिस, व्हॉट दे से, सर पहिला लेट मी हॅव सम जॉब, मग थोडे पैसे कमवू दे, मग थोडा जरा एक्सपिरियन्स येऊ दे, मग त्या एक्सपिरियन्सनुसार आय विल ट्राय टू open or run my business. Okay, generally the thinking is like this. And third thing is that the lack of confidence in business. काही काही लोकांना जे ज्यांच्या फॅमिलीमध्ये कोणीच बिझनेस केलेला नसतो, असल्या लोकांना असं वाटतं की अरे आपलं बिझनेस म्हणजे काही माहितीच नसतं, तोंड ओळखच नसते. सो दे लॅक कॉन्फिडन्स बिकॉज दे डोंट नो एबीसीडी ऑफ दॅट, दे हॅव नॉट सीन. जनरली कुठल्याही काम करताना त्याचं नॉलेज असणं गरजेचं असतं, ते आपल्याकडं नसल्यामुळे आपल्याला कॉन्फिडन्स येत नाही. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट इट हॅपन्स. Lack of knowledge of business opportunity, lack of ability to take risk, lack of managerial skills, lack of knowledge of procedures and formalities. फॉर्मॅलिटीज त्याचे काय असतील, नवीन चालू करायचं म्हणजे काय, म्हणजे अप्रुव्हल घ्यावं लागेल, इकडे जावं लागेल, लायसन्सिंग असेल, काय काय आम्ही बघतो पण ते काहीतरी अवघड वाटतं. सो बिकॉज दे डोंट हॅव अ प्रॉपर नॉलेज, दे डोंट हॅव कॉन्फिडन्स इन दिस. आणि चौथं दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इज दिस disapproval of our family friends. Here it comes the factor of an risk. आपण रिस्क ज्या वेळेला घ्यायला घाबरतो, when we are afraid, then this particular things comes in. Generally काय होतं, no risk bearing capacity of the family, no affiliation to the business community, okay, family pressure to earn money through jobs. तर पैशाची ज्या वेळेला अडचण असते, ज्या वेळेला नीड असते, त्यावेळेला आपल्याला असं वाटतं की गोइंग टू दिस वुड बी अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. Okay, so all these 4 factors which keeps today's youth away from entrepreneurship. हा सर्वे 8 ते 10 वर्ष मागचा आहे. Okay, but still this fact is still existing. That is what. Okay, though we have come up with a more options and opportunities, this webinar itself is one of these steps that we have taken in to educate or to give the confidence to the students, because we are there with you. Let's see in further slides. Like, so now the critical needs for those planning for entrepreneurship. आता समजा एंटरप्रिनरशिप जो करणार आहे त्याला त्याचे क्रिटिकल नीड्स काय असतात. ओके, टाइमली अँड ॲडव्होकेट फायनान्स, दॅट इज द व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग एनीबडी लाईक needs to have. Okay, well within time, if we have a good finance, we can do the business. That is fact. That is a fact. Okay, knowledge and skills and training. Okay, these 3 components, 3 वर्ड आहेत, पण इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. मागच्या स्लाइड मध्ये आपण जे बघितलं, कॉन्फिडन्स नाहीये, ओके, फॅमिलीमध्ये कोण करत नाहीये, रिस्क घेण्याची कॅपॅसिटी नाहीये, हे कशामुळं, नॉलेजमुळं. ओके, अँड नाव इफ यू हॅव अ नॉलेज बट इफ यू डोंट हॅव अ स्किल टू इम्प्लिमेंट दॅट नॉलेज, you can't go further, and for this you need to have a training. So these are the critical needs. The 3 things seems to be 3 words, but there is a lot of an efforts that has to be put in to scale up, and having a knowledge with a proper skill, by having a training, you can get a confidence and you can gear up. Okay, encouragement by family, that is the last. So finally, this committee has recommended to major recommendations, where the first requirement is to change the mindset. Then entrepreneurship is to be introduced in education. Education means the students, those who are still studying before graduation, maybe after graduation means post graduation, or when they are doing it, their doctorate as well, need for a resource material and handbooks, proper resource material and handbooks. If we can provide to these students or these persons, entrepreneurship and business development cells to be established on campus, which is now taking place in a form of IIC, like an Institute Innovation Cells, which is an initiative of uh, MHRD, okay, Ministry of Human Resource. Now, faculty development programs has to be taken. Like this is a student development program. We can say this is a webinar series. So similarly, we can have a faculty development program, counseling and guidance cells for VRS employees. Okay, so employees who can take leave their job and who can come and take up entrepreneurship, so that they can do some business. Okay, fellowship. Now this factor, like this point has been recommended specifically for the teachers or those who are faculties, like who want to go for uh, their business. They would be given a concession into their duties. Special intensives, hassle free credit to be given to increase female participation in a business. Industry academia linkage to be strengthened. So these were the recommendation given at that time, and many of them are being implemented now, and those they are into, like right now, into a place. Okay, many of those points are into place. Okay, now you can see, like I would like to mention this, aptitude for entrepreneurship should be cultivated right from beginning. And in the university environment, we must teach our students to take a calculated risk for the sake of large gain, but within the ethos of a good business, in vision for better tomorrow. This was told by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is our former president. Okay. Now, let me see what is the advantage of students taking up themselves to become an entrepreneur. Okay. Now, student entrepreneurship, it is very, very like an good act or good decision if you decide right now, because you have the following advantage. You have ease in accessing diverse skills. Okay, there is abundant funding at their exposure that is available for you in the form of like an many schemes are there, many like an proposals which has been floated by EICT. Also funding is available. Okay, so that is there, that you can get it to start and do some research and to try to go for some product. Next, stimulating and resourceful environment from a campus. You have, there is a lot of cooperative and coordination, and a lot of helpful things will be available from all your like colleagues, friends, and all. You have exposure to the layoff of an ecosystem that is available. Many departments are there. You might be available access to the workshops, maybe labs, and everything is available to you. Like an experienced teachers and mentors, even alumni, those who are into a business, are there to help you. Okay, now if you are trying to take a business and trying to think of in some startup right now, like it is a better option, because even if it fails, you can have a better option to start new, because you are still a student. Okay, and last one is, you need not have to bother about paying the expenses of your families, because still you are a student. So that's why that is a benefit to you. But while now, if you are convinced now by my talking, if you are convinced now, ठीक है, चलो, let's go for an entrepreneurship. You have some doubts which I had explained initially. What the survey was done by EDI Ahmedabad, like there will be the same doubts, how I can do it, how to do it, how to start it. Okay, now if those are clear, then you have a curiosity what to start it, which would be successful, which would be good for me, right? Then the third thing, if that is decided, okay, I am going to do this X particular thing, then how do I do it? How do I make it a success? How do I convert it into a business? That is a walkthrough startup, right? A lot of things are available at institute level. Also, there are like an incubation, pre-incubation funding is there. So things are available. So gradually, I'm not going to touch this, because this is after and the prototype building.